thought I was doing this alone.
Yo! Yo! You look right there.
Where you at?
Your ass. Holy. What the fuck are you doing?
You waving at?
Alright, I got backup now, so maybe I could do it.
No, we're both gonna die.
If you see, you gotta pick it up.
Bro, this is your...
No.
This is your YouTube channel, bro. I don't gotta do no challenges.
Yes, you do.
Oh, bro.
Yes.
Who cares, dude?
Okay, you know. Okay, fine.
I'm not getting 5 of them. I'm only getting like 1 or 2.
No, you're getting 5.
Oh, bro, I need heals.
Combat, maybe. Let's go.
There's people here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, they have one. They have one.
he's cracked. He's
We gotta
cracked.
go take it. We gotta go take it.
Oh shit.
I have no mat. I got you, AJ. I got you.
52. He's weak. He's one
Got
tap.
him. I got him. I got him. Where'd he go? Where? Oh, he fell all the way down. Second.
Oh, I got a purple combat,
Bro? Alright.
Yep.
I got 2.
but I might die because there's
I'm
somebody
being landed
coming.
on. Yeah, I'm being landed on.
Oh no. I'm gonna die.
Bro.
Beat all my beans,
His
nigga!
teammates behind us.
Oh, let's go. Another combat. Let's go.
Oh.
Oh, another combat. The purple.
Run.
Why are you running? Oh my god, I literally just shockwaved up here. Another
No, I'm
combat.
coming over here.
7. I have 5 combat shotguns. They're farting on me. I'm gonna die to fart. I'm gonna die to fart. Where?
Over here. They're over here somewhere.
There's one running.
It's the same people.
27, 22.
I'm coming up, Jonathan. There's one coming up behind you.
He has a minigun. John Wick has a minigun.
Oh shit.
Dead.
Oh no. Okay, bro. This dude just faced through my builds.
How'd you
He's right
die?
here. He faced through my builds.
Let's go.
I'm gonna die.
No. Where you at? No.
Okay, bro.
No. Are you good?
No.
Come
What do you mean? Am I good? I'm getting shot at.
Come on. I have mats. I gotta give you mats. They're focused on
Bro,
you.
these guys are gay.
They're landing. No, taking mine. I'm dead. Oh my god. My aim is ass and his aim is ass.
Just run, Jonathan.
I can't. I'm literally, they're on me. I can't run.
I'm running. I have to run.
Okay, bro.
I'm gonna heal and I'm gonna come back. Come back to something amazing. Epic montage. I have a Deagle. I can try and pick him off from over here.
Hey, yo, the pizza here!
They're shooting down. Oh my god. One died to fall damage. I literally had 5 of them. Right there. He got the res.
Okay, bro.
You sold.
Almost, dude.
You actually sold, bro.
I almost had him.
Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
Hi, I'm SpongeBob.
What?
What if 6'9" came back at 6'7"? Oh no! Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? What the fuck is this game? What the fuck is this game?
Your bot.
Cause of like I said, I'm pro FPTS winner.
Yeah, okay. Come on.
Oh, this.
Oh yeah, I got one. Oh, another combat. Get bro. Okay. Oh, on me. They're down here. Dead.
Nice. Hey, no,
Kill that boy. Dead. Above. Wait, no. Oh,
You got your in. Oh
it's a
yeah.
bot. No, they're not bots.
No.
No, they're not bots. 40. He's one tap. Dead.
Oh, yeah, no.
Oh crap. Are you gonna get it?
Stop running, bro.
Yeah.
Where's he at, AJ?
Bro, she's just running. She's up here. Now we're getting shot at from somewhere else. Knock all this shit down.
On me? He's right here. What the?
Bro, I'm not trying to do all this.
Do it, bro. Yeah, they have one. We need that. Bro, they're just building. Hey, go down and knock him down.
He's dead. He's low. The aura.
Why is it not falling?
From over here.
Knock it down, bro. Knock it down.
I died. Fall damage.
This dude died to fall
Hey, give me.
damage. Dead?
He's cracked up.
Where's the other one? He rifted.
Land it back.
He has another one. No, I'll protect you. I'm reloading my combat.
Yeah, I had to do that too.
Oh my, and he's building up again. Hey, knock him down. Just keep knocking him down.
Where's he at?
8, 7.
Chasing.
I
Where'd
hear
he go?
trap. He's over here, on me. Oh, this dude is doing way too much.
15.
Oh my, how? He is so much.
I'm knocking y'all down. I'm
16 HP. I just can't do it. I can't take this shit no more, man. Why? Why does he have a trap there?
Where the fuck? Oh shit!
AJ,
What the fuck?
I just got hit by that.
Okay, buddy. Oh my god, bro! Every time. Wait. Yeah.
Oh my. Drop me the chug. Oh, bro.
Oh shit, Mark Grayson.
Oh, I got a gold one.
Who are you giving your? Oh, I got a gold one.
AJ,
What?
you know AB?
Yeah, Adrian Broner.
Yeah,
came in.
Yeah, I never knew who he was. That's the clip of him. Larry Wheels pressing him, right?
Yeah.
And then they say HO5, he the truth. Yeah, I went to investigate. And all I see is this thing would be weird on stream. Like, this you finger the girl on stream.
Yeah, man. No.
Yeah, it's real. He's real.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
And he immediately ran. Oh wait, this dude rebooted. He has one. I'm getting fucked up.
16. I'm here. Stop running from me.
14, 15 lights. 25. He's one tap.
Got one.
Dead.
Bro, I made him leave.
On me. Oh, dead. Where y'all at?
Oh shit!
Alondra got
Oh my
sniped.
god. He's up here.
I told y'all, bro. Take launch pad.
He's nothing at me.
Go to circle. Oh my gosh. I'm
We're
getting
in
fucking
circle,
lasered.
AJ, what are y'all
Holy
doing?
shit.
Oh, we were in circle. Yeah, high ground.
I got fucking lasered.
Okay, guys, I'm coming
I
up.
think it was.
I need y'all to do something for me.
And that is.
Can you suck it?
Okay. Yeah, they're coming down to us. I don't have his.
Wait. He's not up there anymore. Y'all come here. Inside of me with your shotgun out. on the side of me. Alright, just jump. Okay, jump. Alright, that should be good.
Find that shit where it's
Hey, I'm built
This guy's
bad.
doing entirely too much. Keep your battling,
They're
brother.
try hard. He's trying to full box me. He's going down. He knows. He knows.
He's low, he's low, he's low, he's low,
He's low.
Why did he push me, bro? You're so weird. Johnson, give me, Johnson, give me.
Bro, this guy's doing too fucking much. Holy shit.
It's just him. It's just him.
I went to the other drop.
No, he's in here on me and AJ. He ran.
40.
Okay, bro, this guy's a tryhard.
Oh, fuck. Okay, buddy.
I'm stuck behind this tree. Hey, he's gliding.
So, it's all up to y'all guys.
Beam him, bro. Beam him.
Come on, bro.
Let's-
Crack.
Come on. Okay, bro, this guy's fucking annoying.
I'm kind of retarded.
Please don't tell me we lose this.
Yeah.
Yeah, this nigga's cool, bro.
He's up top. I believe in you. He's right here.
Come on, Alejandro. Oh, shit.
What?
Okay, bro. Yeah, we lost. Fuck this guy. 30? 30. Oh, he's white. He's white. He's white. Come on, Alejandro.
Don't forget you got when you 4 other combats. Oh!
He's gonna peek it over the tree.
Is that not your wall?
The